This is lightning storms. We're here in Sweetwater, Texas. Looking out the window. Wind's blowing very strong. If you don't mind, I'll make the sound effects.
How long you got the video going for? Is that long enough? It's on 2 minutes already.
Okay.
Or you may keep going.
Okay.
What do you want? Keep going, or is that good?
I guess I narrated it pretty good, but let's see if we got a grand finale for us. Hold on. Come on, give us a grand finale. You can do it. God, show your power. Show your invincible power. He's the only one that can make it light the sky at night. Behold,
I'm done.
the only thing greater than ourselves.
It's 3 minutes already. My hand is starting to
Okay.
hurt.
So we're going to end it right here.